Students, welcome back to the EVS online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will study about seasons from your book chapter number 16. Let's start the chapter weather. The air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. So students, sometimes the air is hot and sometimes the air is cold. When it is hot, we say that day is hot. When the air is hot, we say it is hot day. And when the air is cold, so we say it is a cold day. When we say the day is hot or cold, we are talking about the weather. When we talking about the day is hot or day is cold, so that is the weather. So what is the weather? Weather is depend on the air. The air is cold, so we have to say it is a cold day, and the air is hot, so we have to say it is a hot day. So that is called a weather. Now come to the seasons. When a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, it is called a season. When this type of weather, this type of days are continuously a month or 2 months like that, so we have to call it a season. When a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, so it is called a season. When days and nights are hot for a month, we call it a summer season. When the days and as well as nights are cold continuously 1 month or 2 months, so we have to say it is a summer season. Can you guess which season it is? When days or nights are cold for a month, so when the days and nights both are cold for months, 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, so we have to say winter season. Very nice. We have to say it is a winter season. There are many seasons in India. So in India there are so many seasons like summer season, rainy season, winter season, autumn season, spring season. So let's start know about that seasons. Summer. We have summer in April, May and June. So in which season we have to say summer season? April, May and June, that is the summer season. The sun shines directly over us during these months. This makes the days and nights very hot. We can keep ourselves cool by wearing loose white cotton clothes. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners in summers. We also eat fruits like mangoes and watermelon in summer. So students, let us know about the summer season. Summer season is in the months of April, May and June, and we have to wear light cotton clothes, white cotton clothes, and we have to keep ourselves cool. Okay students, and we have to use fan, coolers or air conditioners, and we have to eat mango and watermelon to cool ourselves. Okay students, because these fruits are in arranged in or these are in the fruits from the summer seasons. So look here, we have to use fans and the sun shines directly, so we eat watermelons a lot. We sweat more in summers, so we need to drink plenty of water. Okay, so the sweat is we sweat more in summers during the hot because the sun shines directly over ours. Okay, so we have to take watermelons, as the watermelons having 98% of water. avoid soft drinks and too many ice creams. So in this season we have to avoid soft drinks or too many ice creams. They are harmful for our health. They are not good for our health, beta. So we avoid all these food items. People like to go to hill stations in summers to keep themselves cool. Sometimes they visit to the hill stations during summer seasons. The weather is cool at the hill station in summers. In hill stations, the weather is also cool during the summers. So we like to go to the hill station. Look at the picture in summers. Come to the next season, rainy season. In rainy season, dark clouds appear in the sky. You have to say there are the dark clouds during the rainy season. There is lightning and thunder. Then it rains. So when the dark clouds appears and there are thunder and lightning and then it rains, so we have to say it is a rainy season. Sometimes we have to see a rainbow in sky. We carry umbrellas or wear raincoats when we go out in the rain. When the rain is going on, so we have to carry umbrella or wear raincoat when we have to go outside from the house. Our farmers wait for the rainy season because crops need rainwater to grow, and our farmers wait for the rain as crops needs rainwater to grow. So they become very happy when the rainy season comes. Cold, wet winds blow from the sea to land from June to September. These winds carry rain. So cold and wet winds blow from the sea to the land. From sea to land. From June to September, these winds carry rains and we are called monsoon. So rainy season are also called monsoon. Rainy season is also called monsoon. So rainy season is also known as monsoon. Heavy rain sometimes causes flood. Floods can destroy life and property. Sometimes heavy rain is going on, so that causes flood. So it is very harmful for our property and human beings. Come to the next, autumn season. Look at the picture, trees shedding its leaves. So during autumn season, trees shedding their leaves. During the months of October and November. So in which month autumn season is going on? October and November. The weather is neither hot nor cold. The weather is lump sum, that is not hot, not cold. The trees shed their leaves. This is called the autumn season. Okay, so and let's come to the next season, winter season. We have winter season from December to February. Okay, friends. So winter season is going on from December to February every year. During this season, the days are short and the nights are long. Cold winds blow during these months. So during these months means from December to February, the winds are very cold and the days and nights both are cold. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters and coats to keep ourselves warm. We enjoy having hot drinks like tea and coffee. We like to sit in the sun, or some people also use heaters or light small fires. This is called the small fire beta, to keep themselves warm. So during winter season we wear woolen clothes or coat to keep ourselves warm, and we enjoy the hot drinks like coffee and tea, and during the day we sit in the sunlight, in the sun, to keep ourselves warm, and at night we have to use heaters or light small fires, beta. We enjoy. Come to the next, spring season. From March to mid-April, the weather is neither cold nor hot. So from March to mid-April, that is the spring season. This season, the days and nights are pleasant. This is the very good season, beta. In this season, plants are full of flowers. Look here, plants are full of flowers and trees having new leaves. This is the spring season. The weather affects us in many ways. It affects the food we eat and the clothes we wear and the everyday things we do. Okay, so the weather affects our lives, our eating habits and our clothes. That is depend on the weather. Ki weather is hot or weather is cold. Okay, students. Let's do some exercise of this chapter. Tick the correct answers. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners during. So, fans and air conditioners keep us cool. So, in which season we have to keep us cool, beta? During summer seasons. So, we have to tick on the summer. Trees shed their leaves. So, in which season trees shed their leaves? Very good. In autumn season. In autumn seasons, trees shed their leaves. Circle the odd one out in each group. Summer, that is a season. Winter, it is also a season. Autumn, it is also a season. So, Christmas is a festival. So, we have to circle it. Sea, rain, rainbow and rainy season. So, rain, rainbow and rainy season, that is related to the rainy season, and the sea is odd one out. So, we have to circle it. Come to the more exercise. Let's do the more exercise. Tick the correct answer. Trees have new leaves. So, trees have new leaves during the spring season, beta. During the spring season, trees having new leaves. Fill in the blanks correctly with the words given. So, you have to give the hint box with directly and water. During summer, the sun shines dash over us. So, during summer, the sun shines directly because during this season, the days and nights are very hot. We should drink plenty of dash during summers. So, we should drink plenty of water. We should drink plenty of water during summer season. Answer the following questions. List 2 things you like to do in summer. So, what do you like during summer season? Like swimming or enjoy mangoes, watermelons and going to the visit to the hill stations, beta. How can we protect ourselves from the rain? So, we wear raincoat or carry umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. How can you help the needy during the winter season? How can you help the needy? So, we have to give them woolen clothes or blankets to the needy person, beta. So, you have to read this chapter carefully and complete the exercise with the help of this video. Okay, students, we have to see in next video. Okay, bye bye.